Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cupcakes simple. First, gather all your ingredients and equipment, ensuring items like butter and eggs are at room temperature. Preheat your oven to the specified temperature for your recipe, typically around 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This preparation ensures a smooth baking process and consistent results for your delicious treats. Next, combine your dry ingredients in one bowl. In another, cream together butter and sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy. Gradually add eggs, one at a time, mixing well after each addition. Then, alternate adding your dry ingredients and milk to the creamed mixture, mixing just until combined to avoid overmixing. Now it's time to fill your cupcake liners. Spoon the batter into each liner, filling them about 2/3 full to allow for rising. Bake them in your preheated oven for the time specified in your recipe, usually between 18 and 22 minutes. Check for doneness with a toothpick, then let them cool completely on a wire rack. Finally, let's frost and decorate. Prepare a simple buttercream frosting by beating softened butter, powdered sugar, a splash of milk, and vanilla extract until smooth. Once your cupcakes are completely cool, pipe or spread the frosting onto each one. Add sprinkles, edible glitter, or other fun decorations to make them extra special.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.